Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI design tip is to add icons to a navigation bar. So when you have like a big navigation bar like this, add icons to each and every item here. So things like this, workflows, learning, organization. This comes from the solution drop down here, and it has like lots of things. So I wanted to separate it with some icons. So I added minor UI filled icons to this, and I've added like a rainbow sort of colors to everything. So it looks different. So yeah, when you're designing navigation bar like this, try to add icons to every element. So it not for this single line items like this. We don't need to add icons for every single list item like this. But when you have like a heading description sort of line item, you can always add icon, so it looks better. That's why. So yeah, that's it for this small UI design tip. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.